Guys, today I will make some experiments. My phone, this is Samsung Net 2, a lot of problems. It cannot charge from the normal charger. I test many methods, but it still cannot charge unless I take it out and use the external charger, but I don't have an external charger. Alright, so I make some experiments. I have a drone and the charger. See, this is a standard drone charger, 3.7 volts. Also, this handphone battery also 3.7 volts. You can see here I don't have a 3700 mAh, but this is 3.7 volts, and the drone charger also 3.7 volts. This is the battery. You can see 3.7 volts. So what can I do this? I need this charger charge my phone battery. So I need some modification for this charger. I cannot use this head because this is too big to charge this battery. So what I do is I cut the cable like this. So inside the cable have a 2-wire, red and white, sometimes red and black. So this is positive and then this is negative. So also in the battery also right down here is positive, negative. It is very simple. You need is touch this positive wire to the positive plate. Have a metal plate here. So when you touch it, and you can connect this charger drone remote control toys drone charger to the any USB ports like a laptop, PC, and adapter phones. So it can charge the battery. This is very simple, but you need off the phone first, don't on. If you on the phone, the system detect another charger inside the phone, connect the battery, so it failed to charge. So you need to off the phone and touch this wire to positive and negative. So what I do is I just make some really I think it's crappy cut. It's plastic sheet, actually PVC sheet is a bit hard, so I use aluminum foil sticker. This is aluminum foil sticker. You can stick everywhere. This is aluminum, can conduct the electricity. So I use this PVC sheet. You can use a art card or something like that. So a bit hard and not easy to so cut this sheet like this. I use this PVC and cut a bit of foil sticker. So I just do like this. This is positive and this is negative. So on your phone, off your phone, and just pull inside between the phone and the battery. I will show you. Right, already. You can see. Okay, you can see clearly. I just insert the PVC with the aluminum sticker between battery and the phones. So make sure the positive and the negative is not touch each other. And positive is positive and negative is negative. When clearly you got touch the metal, the LED on the remote control charger will on. This is a standard ground charger 3.7 volt. So simply we can charge into the adapter, phone adapter or PC or laptop, then just leave it for around 4 hours for full charge or 2 hours for half charge, and then you can use back your phones without using a normal charger, right? Okay, just try at home and have a good day. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.